The reason I got into a lot of stenciling and graffiti work is I went to high school that was in Wellesley, Massachusetts, which was a lot different than my neighborhood back in New Jersey. There was a lot of lack of diversity and a lot of lack of kind of social inclusion. There I started kind of using art because it was something that I've always loved as a platform to really bring my perspective and allow my voice to be heard. The idea for the art pieces around campus originally started, I was on my way home from a co-op in South Beach and I was waiting for the train and I just saw these two couples and they were kissing through a mask, and I loved the intimacy behind that and behind just the connection that they were still showing. So through a lot of iterations we decided on having the two masks kind of show the human emotions through them but facing away from each other. And the idea was that they're still linked by the strings on the masks themselves, but then still facing away from each other so that they're maintaining distance but yet still connected. I think with my artwork and architecture, for the future I really want to create surfaces that we can apply artwork on and to kind of just normalize graffiti and normalize a lot of the public art as something that should be a little bit more prominent within our society, just because it brings kind of a smile to everybody's faces and really reflects on the community as a whole.